So I finished cleaning the space. Now I'm in the process of disposal, but let me give you a view of what it looks like. Kind of a before and after. This was the first little spot I started on. I mean, it's clear, but can't tell anyone was really here except for that. Now I moved up this way. Started getting a little bit of this. It was just... this whole thing was like a landfill. Just trash everywhere. Piles and piles of crap. There was a post in there. There was like shit all in the trees. And it really did not take long to clean it, to bag it up. And I was fighting raccoons at night from tearing into all the bags, but that wasn't too bad because they didn't have food in them. So the dumb raccoon was just like, he kind of got it. Put the biodegradable stuff kind of over here, created a wall. But it's beautiful. It was just a nightmare. A nightmare of nature. Let's see. And we got this all cleaned up over here. I mean, it's been raining, so I don't know if you noticed, but the ground is all cracked up because these people had stuff covering the ground, so no water was able to get to the dirt. Now that it's been raining, more of their stuff is coming up from the dirt, and picking it up as I can. But yeah, let's go take a look at what's left to move. I moved all the bags over to this little area for a while, and I figured like I'd inchworm it closer and closer to the exit to the edge of the forest. But man, these bags are fucking heavy. It's like 50 or something. 50, maybe a little bit more. But I picked up that cart the other night just to make my life a little bit easier, make finishing this even possible. But yeah, all the bags were snagging on everything. It's difficult. Here we go. Here's what still needs to go. I've moved a few of the bags already, but here's what's left. It's been raining too. Damn, there was so much fucking trash in this space. It's ridiculous. This is my favorite tree in the space. This tree is the best. Thank you for joining me. This concludes, this concludes this part. Still gotta move those bags to the front and then fucking ninja their ass into a bunch of dumpsters that are by the businesses and commercial area not far from here. Alright, thank you.